This is a partial teardown of a US digital media AccuTower, and this is a USB cloning box. To the best of my knowledge, it's USB 2.0 only, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it'll clone one drive over to 13. I don't believe there's an actual model number anywhere on here. There is a model number in the firmware, but it was just a long string of gibberish to me, so yeah. Now, the case is kind of interesting because this opening here is, I don't know. I don't know what it's supposed to be for like other models and stuff. It almost looks like an ITX case, but it's definitely custom because the front's basically 3 5¼ drive bays, and this is not the form factor of a standard computer I/O shield. And on the top here, we have the display board, and on the inside, looks like there's 2 control boards. Oh, okay. So this back here is the power supply itself, which you can see in. And that's just fed through here through some wires. And yeah, basically this case has 3 5¼ drive bays. If you had one of these that was dead, I could see how it'd be handy to salvage it, turn it into something else. Maybe make your own custom drive cloner thing that runs off like a Raspberry Pi. But the fan appears to be a standard 80mm, and looks like it has a 2-pin connector there, although it also has a 3-pin. It's either or. I'm guessing that 2-pin connector is pretty standard. Like I said, I'm not going to take this part further, unfortunately, but just wanted to show what was inside before I list it on eBay. Listing should be in the description as well. But yeah, unfortunately, like I said, that's all you get to see, but at least you have a general idea. Here's the input for the line voltage also, I just noticed. That's where that goes. So grounding just goes to the chassis. But either way, kind of an awkward video, but thanks for watching.